What's going on, guys? We back fishing again today. Carson's idling the boat. We are at the Walker County Lake. They have put some tagged bass in here, and each tag is worth money. And so far, none of them has been caught. So that's our goal today. We're fishing for the money bass. So y'all stay with us. We're gonna see what we can do. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, you got a net?
I had a fucking net. Look at this here.
Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, get in the boat. Ah. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Hmm? Yeah. It's a good fish. No tag, though. Not a money bass, but he's a good bass.
First cast.
I seen him come up and swirl that thing. There he is. He come up and ate that thing. Come here, big boy. Come here, boy. Another good fish. Drop that power pole right here.
I don't know if something's fucked up or not.
Oh, if it may not be. It'd be fine. I found him.
Unplug it when we change the battery.
I found him. They're out here. There's a bunch of fish that took off. There's a big shad ball right here, and there's a bunch of wakes. This is real shallow, so when they moved, but it's another solid fish. Checking for tags. No tags. Release them on this side of the boat. Good. I watched him eat that one. He hit close to the boat too, like right here. There we go. Oh, that's a good fish too, buddy. Is it? Oh yeah. Yep. I figured with the water being as murky as it was, that'd be a good play. It's a good solid fish right there. All three of the fish I've caught, dude, have been just good. This lake's got it figured out when it comes to the size of their bass. No tag though. Still not a money fish. So long, big boy. There he is. He was in the grass. He come out of the grass. Yeah, boy. All right. Missed the bass. Not too bad. Checking for tag. Oh, no tag. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. We're getting the boat put on the trailer right now. Caught 4 decent sized fish, 1 on a swim bait, 3 on a spinner bait, and then once it got hot, they just shut down. Couldn't get them in the grass, couldn't find them in the deep water, which the visibility in this water is super low because for some reason it's a really stained fishery. I mean, these county lakes aren't the best, but they hold good fish. So no money fish, didn't catch no tagged fish, so that's a bummer, but there's always next time. So thank you for watching.